Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a Adirondack chair by Freelorn. This is a foldable chair with a cup holder for our drink beverage. It's a weatherproof HDPE garden chair. This is a lounge chair, an armchair for outdoor use. And the weight capacity, which this can handle, goes up to 170 kilograms. It's a 5-pair chair in black. It's also gray or blue on the market available. Weatherproof HDPE and modern matte finish. Because it's made of the solid premium HDPE, high density polyethylene. This chair is extremely resistant against rain, snow, and strong UV radiation. The smooth, matte surface gives it a noble modern look that won't fade, splinter, or rust. Absolutely easy to care for. Simply wipe it with the water. Job's done. We have here a maximum seating comfort and it's ergonomic. Because the design with a curved backrest and an extra wide seat of 50 cm optimally relieves spin and hip. The wide armrest offers a relaxed storage areas, perfect for enjoying a long summer evenings or the morning coffee comfortably. And space-saving and foldable and integrated cup holder all in one. Thanks to the intelligent construction, the Adirondack chair can be folded up in seconds and stored in a space-saving way for the winter or in the car trunk. The practical cup holder with diameter 8 cm at the armrest keeps our drink tailed proof and ready to reach for us. Cheers. And a robust and stable and windproof design. Compared to the lightweight plastic chairs on the market, the HDPE chair here has a high dead weight, so it stands securely even in strong winds. The massive construction guarantees a tested load capacity of up to 170 kilograms, which gives every user a safe feeling. And I think 15 minutes should be enough for assembly. The chair is delivered partly pre-assembled and it is ready for us in just an half hour maximum, with 3 or 4 stainless steel screws. We can make this, of course, together in our assembling video as you like it. And you will be done in a couple of minutes with that installation process. We can discover our favorite color, black, gray, or navy blue, and we can get this for us. Or we get this to all of us. And the foldable design makes an easy peasy maximum chill factor. And the Freelorn edition chair is made of high quality, high density polyethylene. So, weather resistant, of course. This all brings us joy and comfort. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Tot ziens.